Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser of choice, doesn't matter to me, but we're going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial. And into Google, you want to just search up WhatsApp download and just search for that. Best result, or one of the best results, should say whatsapp.com. Go ahead and select this option from the manufacturer, from the software developer here. And then go ahead and select the download button for Windows 64-bit over here on the right side. It's about 125 megabyte download, so it might take a minute, so please be patient. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open that up. So it looked like it was running two different instances of the installation at the same time, so that's why it didn't work with the other setup, but you can see that WhatsApp did install successfully here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.